UDYDC meets KACCEM MP, Deputy Speaker and MEC on various matters, submit memorandum. 68 years old widow struggling alone for survival. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. The Upper Daigram Youth Development Committee met Karbi Anglong Termas Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singh Bay, KAC Deputy Speaker Rite Singh He and MEC Pabitra Rongpi to acquaint them of the various issues and problems faced by the people of Upper Daigram area. A representation was also submitted to the KAC chief to seek assistance for the development of the area. The Upper Daigram Youth Development Committee delegation was led by its president Kamal Singh Rongpar and was accompanied by Isak Ingtitaro, Bovel Rongpar, Jameson Rongpar and Manikson Ingtitaro. The local body of Upper Daigram area also submitted a memorandum to the KAC chief where they highlighted the issues and demands of the area. In their memorandum, the UDYDC urged upon the KAAC for arrest of miscreants involved in the suspected murder of Sobita Hansepi and Anisha Intipi, construction of bridges from Koilamati to Upper Daigram, installation of cellular network and services in the area, medical sub-center with all the basic facilities, job for Somsing Ingti endorsing Hanse, PHE and IB in the area. While speaking to local media, UDYDC President Kamal Singh Rongpar and Secretary Isak Ingtitaro informed that the KACCEM MP, Deputy Speaker and MEC have also promised them to consider their demands placed in the memorandum and during the interaction. The UDYDC leaders also stated that villages comprising of Lokhon Hanse village, Upper Daigram Lokhiram Rongpar village, Phangcherop, Mai Timong village, Sathirengma village and other villages under the Upper Daigram area are now looking up to the leaders for fulfillment of their demands which were placed on Friday.
Labangso memorandum kipi labangke sontrok sido isi bangke karitang Sobita Hansepi lapen karitang Anisha Intipi alang tum apana pran karmudat tumapan justice long pregnancy-pu silo lan parta alang litum kisung kipudet ahem asora tumapan government employment kipisi apan isi hini dolo lapen kithoma bangke PHE lo kijun nalang misen longnang po lapen pli bangke network mobile network alada bangke mobile network siksak piglang posi la jongam lo lan parta tovar kedam kevang penan ka siksak alada sitong nang lo non puan sitame la posi tovar ta jongpon lo nelitung rong trok do nelitung rong trok arara tung sitame labangso nelitung memorandum ke pi ateng pen nang claim pi vek po pusi nelitung ning thesi jonghong lo.
Samson Intis report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Etpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440. One of the greatest pains for a human is loneliness, and nothing is more tragic than that. 68-year-old widow Karing Ronghangpi is one such person who is living alone, as she has neither children nor grandchildren to look after her. What comes to your mind as soon as you see this hut? And does it look like home for a normal person? But this is the home of the 68-year-old widow Karing Ronghangpi. She is the wife of late Longsing Teron, a resident of Ronghang village under the Numati and Socheng Thanta constituency, and she is all living alone by herself. Karbi Anglong Live has managed to reach her home and show you the condition under which she is living alone by herself.
Karbi Anglong Live pen ladak eson akenang sot labang sobita Karbi Anglong Live kelang ratum pacini kangtung mare paklang ponintung ilitum akhailong penangan kisung ke boy alamu ilitum si Tangnok plot la puson awe pin lang lason na taksi ilitum ke edhokatum mage episode sodo ahemari do pusame aning ke oi masapsa balam ben same aning ke oi tot su la puson aning si pa oi ason kidu ke la alam chema tharam pa aning ke oi la puson si pa klang pon hekpon long sidame ahemarita ave achora lok ave asu ave pa akaya munitum hai ko son lo ilitum matharampo
Karing Ronghangpi has no child, and that is the reason behind condition of her life and home, which has no place to cook, and she has been forced to live under this condition the whole year, as there is no one in her life.
And nang no, where si chubuchila hai? Na usumaran nang su ke? Avi le hai. Oh, nang no, where si chubuchira le hai? Oh, ande sang han ke kuna napasi nang pokchipang ring bom lo.
Hala rit kene nang pan pichom hajira le masih
Hajira pini dun po hai. Nang han pini chojor.
chujor bom masih jukleman bom
Kuna na hichi lo dam ke.
ku dagang pen berkhawal
Para khwa lo.
ya long dan
Men tutu lo la han churi dam ke inglong ke.
long han chu diam da
Oh, pini son churi dam po ke penap chojor dam po penang ke huni bar ke. Oh, ande nang kesu kyu ne te ko son lo nang chela na ke nang jong si nang so det pulute.
non la ko ke so de la si kidun thek bom chalo
Oh.
su ke
Nang su dolang ma be, nang su.
ni so lo
Te nang ok pini ko son lo chu ke.
pan no ke kon chule ga chun bom lo
Oh, nak ko ke si choren mo. Oh, nang su e hong da lo.
belo
Due to extreme poverty and no other source, Karing Ronghangpi has been surviving through sale of wild vegetables at Parokwa market. These wild vegetables and herbs are found in distant hills and forests where she had to go on foot.
Oh, non anda nang la na ningan nang su sepin lang.
su dun de
Bar nam nang panang kirai lo.
na son ne pine
Oh. Ande la kali tang long sing la phan ke nasi chitong lo.
ni ma
Oh.
ha sang parang dun na kini dun thap si bang ta
Hara si chen che do del hai. Ande nang school berenda le dun de.
dun de ni ke dun be kana dun de
ABCD thek marek hai.
thek ya thek lo
Oh.
chị thek đập
Che
luôn
la ke ande ko piam mek lo la hai thek chi lo bo.
ni lo
Oh.
After witnessing her solitary life and heartbreaking condition, Karbi Anglong Life correspondent Bikram Teron provided a small help to the widow. And Karbi Anglong Life would like to urge upon the elected representative of Socheng Thenta and Numati constituency to sincerely take initiative by providing a small home and financial assistance or old age pension towards easing her pains and hardships. With Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Life. In a tragic incident which happened on Thursday evening, a biker succumbed to injury after being hit by an unidentified vehicle on Thursday evening. Here is a report. The incident happened at around 4:30 p.m. in the evening at HDP Lekte village along the Dilai Sarihajan road. An unidentified vehicle hit a TVS Apache bike with the registration number AS09H0407, and the vehicle involved in the incident fled the scene, taking the advantage of lack of any eyewitness. The deceased has been identified as Kangbura Terang of HDP Desoy Crow village. Kangbura was the youngest child of the family and was working as a driver in the MS Bajaj company. And the tragic accident took place while the victim was heading towards home to HDP after completing his work at Lakhijan. Locals rushed Kangbura to Bokajan Civil Hospital for treatment. However, the victim succumbed to his injury. He has left behind his wife and 2 children. Dilai police took the body to Deephu for postmortem, and the result was still awaited at the time this report was filed. On hearing about the incident, local MSC and KAC speaker Longki Timong visited the distressed family and extended his condolence.
Accident tu apor ke sari bagi apor. Ben accident amen ke Kangbura terang nilingo ke bisi lo iltum kor ke bang phodu akleng simen mongol terang avilo lata avilo non dulang doloi terang do stand terang do ben injir basapi terang pi do lapan do tulang basan terang pi lapan elemen ke guben terang
kuna pengen bang se accident long pa
alang ling MS Bajaj company long ningkan pli lo rak gari jos lain bo
kuna dim
lukian lo mangke pini kam studet pen gari kamalong bikang pan ania bait tawe pena puja do hodak ban chicham etsi dampar hes lai le mangke bait bang ke alang hemchi bang phan tu chicham etsi puwang bom hodmat ani wrong side le bang takali ani side si puwang bom lo man ke kopi ko son be gari মানে টংকাং ফিরলো মাসে
কোনাং দেন lo
টংকাং আদিম ke লেখিয়ারং রেসার কিটা মতবার আহেমাসর দলো আসমার বাহিনী
Vijorong Pace report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Students Coordination Committee of Tangnok Bay College, Dongmukak, had on Friday celebrated its 18th birth anniversary. The program was chaired by KSCC President Jirlong Ingti and assisted by its Secretary Edison Tokbi. The anniversary celebration event was attended as a chief guest by KSCC Founder President Prodip Ingti and Founder Secretary Ramsing Teron. Other leaders who were present included former member Tony Tokbi, KSA General Secretary Anil Killing, and several other ex-members. The KSCC of Tangnok Bay College was formed in the year 2003 to unify the Karbi students of the college. They also look after various issues faced by the students and help each other in overcoming them. Speaking in the event, Founder President, Secretary and other former members urged upon the existing office bearers to continue working for the rights of students. They also appealed to maintain unity among themselves and support each other at all times.
Tangnok Bay College long KSCC pini ningkan krener kep kechok labang suke talon pon mate am hange thek pon pini tarik henlo 17 September 2003 halabang so am hang pathek nang kok KSCC bangso college long athipi alam bang lalo 2002 aningkan general election nang do pen ilitum akhiya sanchom do kok pen halabang so election ilitum remdu nang kok lo bang asolo halabang so kebang ji apor sitame ilitum karbi loge charli yaw somatum lapuson akang tingkuk atowar pen ke paprai ye phansi nilitum labang so college along party alam ji popin ajar asong alam ji popin pen karbi student coordination committee nilitum amhang pathek kanglo nili pen cleaner ke arta ke chok long abang ke lalo abang so KSCC sengdet pen dak abang so college long ilitum election bang ke ilitum chedan de pin pen karbi khela dak ke ning isi ke do adim apoda ke arorim ta ajat asong dabe adol dabe pojone masi dak bang ke ilitum piniani anta mela ningkan cleaner ke bang ke ilitum si piniani anta abang so KSCC amhang thek det pen ilitum si labang so college bang ke Indian body along anda ilitum si long time.
Samsung Ingti from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.